Even from a very young age, I'm very competent at forcing my will. I can figure it out. I can get it done. That was a deficit, and it still remains. I'm working on it, but a deficit even in my trading. Because it's hard when you're right that often too, especially for any of us who have had any level of success, or maybe your analysis is right a lot. It's very hard sometimes to debate that big brain, little brain concept. Just because you're right doesn't mean the timing, the management. Like, there's so many other factors. That's a huge lesson for anybody who caught that. Like, you of course, the market does have to come to you. That's simply put. And we've heard that before. That's not new. But some of us are coming to the market thinking that we can just decide, hey, we've got these new candles, or hey, this strategy, or the hybrid, or put whatever word you want there. None of it is going to matter. You're not going to force the market into this obedient little box. It's not going to work. There's so many other variables. And the sooner you get that, and the thing that helped me is just finding some peace in, I stopped seeking perfection. I'm just looking for peace and profit and pleasure and purpose and learning this in my journey. And when that became the goal, the profit comes. Yeah, I take some losses. They suck, especially when you're right. When you can finally stop trying to be perfect, it's a whole nother trading game. Huge another trading game.